So in today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to fix an error where you try to copy a file to your USB flash drive and you get this error that says file too large. Now, the reason why this error is peculiar is because this is only a 5.91 gig file and my USB flash drive has over 30 gigs of free space, as you can see. So let's go to right click on the USB flash drive, go to properties. You can see I have 31.4 gigs of free space. So why is this file saying it's too large to be copied to my USB flash drive? Now the reason is because of the file system. This USB flash drive is in the FAT32 file system. If you right click and check on properties, you should see the file system actually says FAT32. Now FAT32 is a popular file system for USB flash drives because it's compatible with many other devices like Macs, Linux computers, all that stuff. Every device uses FAT32. But then the problem with FAT32 is it has file size limits. So for instance, FAT32 can only hold files that are up to 4 gigs in individual file size. And if you want to copy, you can copy many files that amount to maybe around 20 or 30 gigs, but individual files cannot exceed around 4 gigs. And that's the problem we're having here because this is almost 6 gigs. Even though we have 31 gigs of free space, we are not able to copy. Now, to fix this problem, we might need to change the file system. Of course, if you have another USB flash drive in another format, you can use that. But if this is the only USB flash drive you have, then you can work around this by changing the file system. And to do that, you'll need to format the flash drive. So if you have any data on the flash drive, make sure you back it up somewhere else. And then once you do that, go to the flash drive, right click and select format. Okay, from the format menu, first of all uncheck quick format and then go to file system. You can see FAT32 is the default. Use that drop down arrow and choose exFAT. Now exFAT will take bigger files, and then go ahead and click on start. Click OK and wait for the format to be completed. And as you can see, we are now in exFAT file system instead of FAT32. Now let's close this and go ahead and open that again. So let's go back to our USB flash drive, which is now in the exFAT file system, and try to copy the file. And it copies, as you can see. Simple as that. That's how to fix the file too large error when copying files to your USB flash drive. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.